Do doppelgangers exist? How many lookalikes do we have? Have you ever seen those articles about celebrities and their lookalikes around the world? Looking at those pictures, have you ever wondered, are there people that look like me? Maybe one day, walking down the street, you might have done a double take because you thought that someone very similar to you just walked past. Or, you might have just walked up to them, tapped them on their shoulder, and then realized that it was just in your mind. It must have been pretty embarrassing. Well, there is no shame in admitting that you have searched for someone that looks like you. After all, there are other people that share similar features with you. Did you know that there is a word for someone who looks just like you? Do you know what it is? No, we aren't talking about identical twins. These people aren't even related to you, and they have almost the same facial characteristics as well. The word you are looking for is doppelganger. In this article, we are going to learn whether these doppelgangers exist or not. What is a doppelganger? Do doppelgangers exist? The term doppelganger is actually derived from the German word which can be translated into double goer. It basically is in reference to someone who is a ghost of that particular person. You might be a bit surprised to know that according to German mythology, doppelgangers were believed to be paranormal. It was believed that if you saw your own doppelganger or your same face person in the world, you would have incredibly bad luck. However, mythology is not something that one can rely on. Plus, there are some modern-day definitions and meanings for the word doppelganger. According to the modern world, a doppelganger is someone who has the same facial features that you have. And that too without being related to you genetically. This is what makes this person different from your identical twin. While an identical twin would have the same facial features, you will also share the same genes. In the case of a doppelganger, there is no genetic connection. Almost every single person in the world believes that they have many doppelgangers around the world. This particular notion has led to the creation of different novels, movies, plays, and so much more. So do you often think how many people look like me? Well, you wouldn't be the only one. Is there any truth to the story though? Well, we will have to read on further to know more. What exactly is a face? The question does sound pretty simple, doesn't it? Well, the face is a combination of the eyes, ears, mouth, nose, dimples, and other important characteristics. These components then integrate together to create a picture that is presented to the rest of the world, your face. But what if we tell you that the picture of a face isn't something that the brain sees when you are looking at someone? When we seem to recognize a particular object or face, we are basically comparing the image to another mental image that has been stored in our brain. There are some special cells in the brain that tend to activate when we are looking at different faces. So what are the facial